Hello everyone, welcome to our Stata tutorial series. So in today's tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to add value levels to a categorical variable in Stata. So for these we need to load our data set. So you go to import and our data is in Excel format, and this is our data set. Open it and treat the first row as the name of the variable. So now we are going to write tab and the variable name developed. You can see that for this variable we have two values, 0 and 1. So this is a categorical variable with binary outcomes 0 and 1. However, as it currently stands, there is no description added to describe what it means to be 0 in this data set for this variable and what it means to be 1 in this data set for this variable. So we are going to add some description, which is called the levels, value levels in Stata language. So how we do this? We do this by writing a command called level and define and then name of the variable, and 0, by which we want to represent non-developed countries, and by 1 we want to represent developed countries, and hit enter. So our code worked. However, we're not done yet. So wait, don't go. So now we want to command Stata to attribute the changes to that variable, for which we write a command level and then values, the name of the variable. And we don't want to create a new variable, but the same variable, so that the values are replaced. Developed, okay, and hit enter. So we have made a mistake. That is, it should be B. Okay, and okay. So it worked now. So we run the tabulation again. And developed. And you see, instead of 0 and 1, we have now the description about that variable, non-developed countries and developed countries. So this is how we make the changes to a categorical variable, and its leveling is value. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.